Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I will teach you how you can earn free XRP coin without any single investment. Okay, remember guys, I'll be dropping a link on my video description, so you go there and get started with your email and password. Believe me, you're good to go. Okay, this is how your interface about have to look like that. But before you start claiming guys, you have to go straight to my video description and get the link and start earning free XRP coin. Okay, this is you can see this is they also have the survey. Once you complete the survey, you also make a lot of money on this website. They have the CPL research and the time wall. Once you complete the survey, you can also earn a lot of coin from there, but we won't do this for now because there is no time for this. These are all their package guys. They have the level system, the level system, the level and the payout. Okay, they have the stone, which I'm using the free section. They have the iron, the bronze, the silver, gold, diamond, platinum, and master. Okay, so anyone who chooses to go guys, it is also good. So this is where you always come to claim RRP XRP coins for every 21 hours. All right, but we have to go back guys because the network is delaying there already. Okay, this is also the hourly faucet guys. This hourly faucet immediately once you log into the website guys, you have to verify your email. Once you verify your email, you are good to go. This is where you always come guys to roll, and you'll be also earning a lot of error coin here. But before doing that, you have to verify this captcha, which shows that you are a human. Okay, once you verify the captcha, you can also roll guys. So I will also, in this website guys, it's very simple to earn a lot of XRP coin without any single deposit. It is very easy for everyone to participate. Okay, all they have to do is to pay attention and watch according to the video descriptions, so you also understand how you can also earn a lot of a coin. Okay, on this complete verify guy, once I click on this role guys, okay, once I click on this role, because I don't have any of it. Okay, so this is also the bonus faucet. As it been a house span there, I can also roll here by winning the lucky number. Okay, this is also the hourly faucet, where I will also come here to earn a lot of coin. Okay, without any single investment. Once you verify this one guy, you can earn claim. You could see here guys, this captcha is verified. I can claim. Click on these claim sections. You could see I just claimed 0.0005 XRP coin. Okay, this is how it works. As automatically you can see it has been added to my balance. Okay, I have to come back in the next 1 hour to claim again. This is also the value possible. Please, in case the free session is not okay by you and it can't get you to the expectation where you can withdraw quickly, you can also upgrade your mining speed by coming to this package guide and select any package you feel like participating. Okay, but please, before depositing money into this website, make your own personal research because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm also not a financial expert. Please always deposit what you can afford to lose. Okay, and but for me, I'm using the free session guide. This is also in case in case you want to place a withdraw, click on this menu. Once you click on this menu, you can also click on this withdrawal sections. Once you click on the withdrawal section guide, you can see this is where you see the minimum that you can withdraw from this website. The minimum you can withdraw is one XRP coin, and you can also, this is the network they operate. They operate on the BEP20 USDT and the other amount. Anyone is free to go slot in the address right here by using any wallet, and the amount they take a fee of 0.005 RR coin, and click on this verify. Once you click on this verify, click on withdraw. Automatically you cash out the money to our crypto. Okay, this is also the deposit section. In case you want to upgrade your mining, you can also increase by coming here to get a wallet where you could also make a deposit. Okay, this is the network you operate about 20 USDT. Copy the wallet or you scan yourself a QR code using your front camera to deposit. Automatically you will upgrade. Okay, this is also the game section guy. You can also play game on this website to see a lot of funds to cash out money crypto by playing games. Okay, they have the games here. These are the game sections, bro. Okay, on this game section, sorry, why is loading? On this section, they have they have the stone, we have the dice, the limbo, the slots, the pinko, the well and automatic dice. Okay, anyone who chooses to go guys, you can also play game once you have a little coin on your wallet to play. Okay, so in case you want to play just like this, play, but always cash out when anyone you win. Okay, do not be selfish while playing the game. Okay, This is also the first section, as I said, and you can also earn a lot of money on this crypto, guys, by a simple refer. The more you refer, the more you earn a lot of money. Okay, this is by clicking on these affiliations. Once you click on this affiliation, guys, a link will be given to you where you can refer to friends. But mind you, these are the referral commissions. The first section you earn 50%, and the game section you earn the 0.4%. The survey 5% of a complete survey. This is where you get your link. Copy this link and share to friends on social media, Facebook, Twitter, media, once multiple friends. The more you refer, the more you also earn coin. Okay, so guys, this will be all for this today video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so whenever I drop a video, you will notify you, and share the video, like the video, and give a nice thumb. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. See you in my next video.